Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on app storage, subscription or purchase. Did you accidentally buy an app, start a subscription you don't want, or get charged without realizing it? I will show you how to request a refund on app store purchase or subscription step by step. First, it's important to know this refund are handled by Apple, not an app developer. A refund are not granted, but many people get them if they ask quickly. First, open the Safari or any browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type reportproblem.apple.com. In my server, it's not open. Your servers may be open. Sign in using your Apple ID you use to buy the app or subscription. At the top, type ID like to. This select request or refund. Now choose the reason you want to refund. You may select like I don't mean to buy this, the app didn't work as expected, or I didn't recognize this purchase. Find the app or subscription list from the list, tap on it, then select submit, and that's it. Your refund request has been sent to Apple. And that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.